All right, example one. True clear water is filling her truly clear water. That's the name of person is filling her bathtub, but she forgot to put the plug in. Um, if the volume of water for a bathtub is 0.35 meter cube, so that's the volume of bathtub. So this volume um, volume of bathtub is 0.350 meter cube. The tap is flowing. So let's say this is the bathtub. I'm just going to create like this, and this is the tap. That is the Q in is 1.32 liter per meter minute, and the drain is running. So you have a drain. Usually the drain is here, so that's uh, going out, Q out. The flow rate out is equal to 0.32 liter per minute. That's the amount that leaving the system. How long will it take to fill the tub to the bath level? So that means how long it takes to fill the entire volume. Okay, that volume is this volume is 0.35 meter cube. Okay. So let's say that let's first solve this one, the time. So you are solving for time. First of all, if you are asking by time, that means something is changing over time. That's an unsteady state. Anytime I ask something about time, how long is the time? So that means already you got the value that's unsteady state. So this is unsteady state or non-steady state because you ask the volume is changing as a function of time. Okay. So volume is changing because of time. Steady state, nothing changes with time. Okay. Um, okay. So let's see. Let's solve for it. So again, control volume is the bathtub. So the I'm going to start with a basic from scratch so that it's easy to remember. dm by dt is a q in, c in. No, I'm sorry, this is q in because there is no concentration. Is the if you think of the mass balance for water is q in minus q out. Okay, just take the concentration out. That's the mass balance for water. So I'm going to write that one equation. Change in volume over time is concentration flow in minus all the flow out. There is no reaction because water is not evaporating, all that stuff. So that's so that means um, this is q in we know, q out you know, or drain, dv by dt. So if you bring the dt out this side, then you can integrate it. So time 0 to t, initially there is v0, or initially there is 0 volume. Finally, it will going to fill up completely. That's going to be v. So it becomes v. If you solve it, dv equal to v, the integrations, and then let me see. There are some question. What is f? Is I say it's a function of time. You know, volume is a function of time. I just write function is f. This is function. So all I'm saying is v equal to vt. That's the better way to write it. That way you don't get confused. Okay. There is a time term there. It's not constant. It's a variable. That's time. All right. So v minus 0 is v. The other side q is constant. They are constantly flowing the same amount. And so it would go out of the system or go out of the integral term. So this will be dt of integration is time. So t minus 0 is t. Okay. So that's your answer. So now I ask what's the time. So it's going to be volume divided by q in minus q out. So volume is 0.35 meter cube. Q in is 1.32 minus 1 0 out is 0.32. So it become 1. So that answer is the meter cube per minute. So the answer is 0.35 minute. This right? This sounds like a
Professor, I
very.
think it's in liters, not meters cubed.
Oh, I see. I see. You're right. That's why it's a liter. So why it is so small? Okay, let me solve it. So that what you got is, I'm gonna write it here. Time equal to 0.35 meter cube divided by liter per minute. Okay. So now um, liter is equal to what now? So one meter cube is 1000 liter. So that's what you have to change. So 0.35 meter cube. So liter over minute. So that means 1000 liter is 1 meter cube. Okay, I'm becoming messy here. So that's the point. I don't have much space, so I'm just writing it here. Okay, only in video it will make sense. If you just look at the side, it doesn't make. So now 1000 will go up, so it becomes 35,000 minute. Oh, that's just not 35,000. 350. Let's say what the number would be. 1000 times 0.35. It will be 350 minute. That seems like a long time. Like 350 minutes will be um, divided by 60 will be how much? 350 minutes is how much hour?
It'll be just under 6 hours.
Oh yeah, 6 hour. Wow, that's a long time. Nobody. I don't want to take a shower for that long. But she left it, so that's why. So it takes 6 hours before it fill up. Assuming trolley sorts up the water when the tub is full, does not flood the house, how much water will be wasted? Well, how much water is wasted? It's all wasted through the drain. So you know the time. So the amount of water wasted is Q out. So Q out is what is wasted, right? Q waste. That's the volume of water wasted. So volume of water wasted is Q times T, because flow rate times time is equal to volume. Okay. So you know the
Hey,
time.
Professor, are
Yes.
we including the the full bath as water wasted at the end, or not, or just the
No.
water that's
Oh, you are right. No. So water wastage is the amount was leave the system plus the amount. No, actually, it's not true. It's all about the time times the flow rate.
okay?
So because you initially you are wasting. If the moment you open the tap, it's already draining out. So it doesn't really matter. So this is the amount Q times T. So Q out is 0.32 liter per minute times, this time is 350 minute. So you multiply that, you'll find in terms of liter. But if you want to convert into meter cube, then you divide by 1000. Okay. So whatever that number is in liter. If you want to make it um, as a um, as a meter cube, just convert the formula. Okay. This is wasted. All right. So that's the solution. So I will have more example with a bigger screen so that it becomes easier in linear form, not like this messy. That's why I don't try to do example here in this. It's just make it too messy. I have a extra space there. I could have done it. I forgot. All right, so I'm going to stop recording it because I think we are done with the stuff here. And